Hey guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with another Unity tutorial. And in today's tutorial I'm going to go over two useful functions if you're developing on mobile. How to create a double tap and vibrate. So right here I'm just going to go in game. Now I'm not going to actually be able to show you it right now because it won't work with the mouse. You have to tap it on screen. So at the end of the tutorial I'm going to go into my phone and I'm going to actually show you it working. But what we're going to do is when we tap down on him twice, he's going to play the attack animation. So this is achieved using just this one script right here. Let me just get rid of all this other stuff. And we have this script right here, and it's just playing an animation, which is the attack animation. So all we have here, let me get rid of that, sorry, it's just this script right here. We only have one variable, which is the tap amount. This controls how many times we want to tap the screen before the action happens, and I've just got it set to 2. You can set it higher or lower, and that will be the amount of taps you need to make the action happen. So I'm just going to go into Visual Studios and show you how I got it set up. Okay, now we're here in Visual Studios, and you can see it's nothing complicated. Let me just get rid of start because we don't need it. The only variable we have is 2. We have the touch to get the player's touch input, and the tap amount, which controls how many taps we want before the action happens. Excuse me. Now you can see all we're doing is getting the input touch 0, which is the first time the player touches the screen. This counts for how many fingers are touching the screen. 0 will always be the first touch, and since we're only getting a tap, we always want the first touch. So we're just getting the input for the first touch, and we're just seeing if that tap count of the touch equals the tap amount that we set, and that's it. That's how you do double tap or anything you want, triple tap, or how many ever taps you want on the mobile device. It's just that simple. And if the tap count equals 2 in this case, we're just going to play the attack animation. And then we have handheld vibrate. That's it. That's all you need to make the device vibrate. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple script, and it's very useful if you're doing something in mobile. It's not that complicated. Anyway, let's go to my phone now so I can show you exactly how it works. I've set it up in the on mouse down function. That way I can tap the character specifically instead of tapping anywhere on the screen. But if you just wanted to tap anywhere on the screen, just put it in the update method instead of the on mouse down method. And you can see when I tap the character twice, it vibrates and he plays the attack animation. And it's just that simple. I don't know if you can hear the vibration, but that's where it's at. Now if I hit over here or anywhere else on the screen, it won't do it because I put it in on mouse down, and that's it. Hey guys, it's always been my dream to create video games, and now I have the talent to create them. Unfortunately, I'm just one guy, but I am working hard on a bunch of projects. Any projects that I have finished will be the link down below. I would appreciate it if you could check it out. There should also be a list of all my finished projects on screen, or any project that I'm working on. You can also check out that. But if you want to download any of the games I made, you can check out the description down below. Thank you for watching.